Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In today's video, I am going to show you how to track your Calendly booking from using Google Tag Manager for Google Analytics 4. If you are using Calendly to schedule meeting or appointment, you know how valuable those bookings are your business. But tracking them in Google Analytics 4 can be a bit tricky. Don't worry. I will guide you step by step through settings of tracking in Google Tag Manager so you can capture is booking event in J4. We will cover how to set up tags, trigger, and variables in Google Tag Manager, and I will explain how this data will appear in your J4 reports. By the end of this video, you will able to measure each calendar booking effortlessly so you can get insight into how often people are scheduling with you and where they are coming from. So if you are ready to take your calendar tracking so the next level, make sure to stick around and let's get started. This is my demo website. I want to track this form made by Calendly from. So let's get started. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. I already set up Google Tag. Now I need to set up listener code for this form tagging. So this is my web container. Then click on new. Then again click. Then find out custom HTML. Then copy this code. Then paste here. I need to set up a trigger all pages. Then given a name for this tag custom HTML for form tracking. Then click on save. Then again click on preview. Then copy your form link. Then paste here. Then click connect. This is your calendar booking from. Then select a date and time. Then click next. Then fill up this. Then test message. Then click schedule event. If you see Google Tag Assistant, you can see many calendar event. I need to create a variable for this tag. If you see my documentation, you will find that I need to create a variable for this calendar from tagging. So copy this, then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then find out variables. Then click on new, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Our variable create done, then I need to go back to your Google Tag Manager web container tags, then click on new, then find out Google Analytics, then click on Google Analytics GA4 event, and I need a measurement ID. I already created measurement ID constant variable, so then select this variable, then I need to give it a name. If you see that Calendly from event is Calendly, so copy this Calendly, then paste here underscore, then click on plus icon, then select your created variables, then click on triggering, then click again plus sign, then find out custom event. I need to create a event name, so go back to your Google Tag Assistant event name, copy this event name, then paste here, then give a name of this trigger, then again click on save. Our setup almost done. Give a name for this stack Calendly form tracking tag, then click on save, then click on preview button, then click this form, Then again select date, time, next, then submit this, then type your message, then click schedule event. If you see that your tag assistant all tags already fired like Google tag, form tagging, Calendly form tagging tags, custom HTML form tagging, your Google Analytics 4, you can see all of the event are here like page ID, page session, page number, and everything is here. And that's how you can set up powerful tracking for your Calendly booking in this Google Analytics 4. With these setups, you will gain deeper insight to you grow your business and connect to your audience like never before. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe more expert tips on maximizing your analytics and driving conversion. Thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video where we will dive into even more way to boost your marketing impact.